ongoing thing.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Cikgu Zuli. Before we start, today's tutorial is about how to make a simple intro using a PowerPoint. Okay, for those who are first time visiting my channel, please like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, for those who always came to my channel, I thank you very much because came to my channel. Okay, before we start, I'm using a PowerPoint 365. You also can use any kind of PowerPoint as long as you can change it into a video. The slideshow you can change into video. Okay. For the file, you can download below at the description. I will give it at the description. You can download it from there. Okay. First of all, you have to open the source of file. Okay, the PowerPoint file. Okay, this is how it look like. Okay. The first thing you have to change is change the logo. Okay, where is my logo? I don't see my logo anywhere. Okay, this is my logo. Alright, I will make it a little bit smaller. Okay, you can resize the picture. Okay, and then you can change the word here. Okay. Okay, it's a little bit the font is a little quite big, so I make it smaller. Okay. So we have to see the outcome from this video. Okay, let's press the slideshow button. Okay, I think I have to see another time, one more time. Okay, fine for me. So that's how the intro look like. Okay, it's already finished. Okay, if you like the outcome of the video, okay, you can press file, go to export, create a video, and then create a video. Okay, name your outcome. Okay, my video is named also intro file. Okay, just save it as it is. Okay, so it's finished. Okay, we will wait until it's render. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment at my channel. I hope to see you in another video. Bye all.
You make me